In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a grainy gradient using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open a canvas to your preferred size and resolution. Now, add a new empty layer. Select the paintbrush tool and adjust the size as well as the softness of the brush to your preference. Then, in the color palette, select the colors that you would like to add to the gradient. Now, paint onto the canvas. And don't worry about the precision of the placement, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can also add more than 2 colors depending on what you would like the gradient to have. Now, right-click on the painted layer and convert it to Smart Object so that you can still make some changes afterwards. Now, open the Filters tab and select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. You can adjust the amount of blurriness to your preference, and finally, you can add some noise. You can now save it to your computer, but to make the gradient more interesting, you can go ahead and open the Filters tab and select Liquify. Here, you can adjust the size as well as the pressure of the Liquify tool to your preference. Now, just click and drag on the gradient and swirl it around until you're satisfied with how it looks. Now, create a new fill or adjustment layer and add a gradient map. Here, you can choose which colors you would like your gradient to have, and you can also select from the presets, and you can also adjust and customize the gradient maps. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.